Tonight we speak with the newly appointed head of the Diocese of Buffalo, New York, Bishop Michael Fisher, as he prepares to assume leadership of a diocese confronting a number of significant challenges. Bishop Michael Fisher joins me now on Skype. Your Excellency, thank you so much for coming on the show today and for your time. We appreciate it. I know that you've said that at your core, you're a parish priest and a pastor. How do you think that will help you in this new role?
Well, that's what our church is all about. It's families, family of families. It's celebrating, I think, the people of our parishes and bringing them together. At my core, I became a priest because I came out of a family, loving family, a wonderful family, and that's what I've experienced as a parish priest in working with the people that I've called to serve, and it's just there's nothing like it. So I hope I bring that zeal for the love of families and the love of parish life. Parish life encompasses everything from the joys of love and marriage, weddings, the sadness at loss in terms of funerals, the baptism of newborn babies, new life, the care of those in need, how we reach those who are vulnerable so it's about life, and that is what I hope I bring at my core as a priest, a bishop, and now the shepherd of the Diocese of Buffalo.
And I do know that your appointment comes amid what is still a very challenging time for the Diocese of Buffalo. A new lawsuit filed last month by New York's Attorney General for failure to follow mandated policies to protect children from clergy sex abuse, and a bankruptcy filing. How do you plan to restore confidence and get to a better place there?
Well, isn't that the key now? Trust and transparency. I think we certainly have many challenges ahead of us, but we need to do it together and collaboratively. I'm very strong when it comes to communication, as well as collaboration with the laity, the priests, and certainly what I want to do is to get to know all of the people there, the gifts that they have. I understand the Diocese of Buffalo is a very vibrant community. They have deep challenges, whether they be financially or with the Chapter 11 bankruptcy, as well as the many abuse cases. Another important aspect of that would be reaching out to those who have been hurt, that they know that they also have an ear that to be listened to. So I want to bring that to my ministry there with the good people of Buffalo. We will take on those challenges, but I can't do it alone, and I need to do it together. I need to get to know the people.
You mentioned transparency. What would that look like to you? And also, do you have a message to the survivors of clergy abuse?
Absolutely. First of all, I want them to know that I'm praying for them. I have seen the hurt that many victims have experienced. Part of my ministry down here was involvement in retreats for clergy abuse survivors. And so I know what they're looking for is someone to listen to them. And if they will allow me, I want to be part of that healing and let them know that that they are a part of our family, and that I want to help them in any way to heal. So that would be essential. Also, that our people know that their children are protected, that they have safe environments in the churches and in our schools, that we are following our policies. There are good policies in place in all of our dioceses, and those policies need to be continually looked at and make sure that we're following them. There's no tolerance for abuse of a child or vulnerable adults. We need to certainly work towards that and to cooperate when we need to with the civil authorities.
I'm curious, as Bishop of the Diocese of Buffalo, what will be some of your goals?
Well, one of my goals is certainly to get to know, again, the laity, the various leadership of the diocese, whether it be the councils, the priest council, getting to know all of the priests, the religious, the deacons. I have a lot. They have one face and one name to remember. I'm going to have a lot more. So I want to know what are the gifts that they bring. So that would be certainly a priority. Another one is to continue the work of healing with victims and survivors of abuse. And then lastly, to continue the good work that is beginning on the road to renewal. I know a lot of work has been done and needs to still be done in the initiative that has begun in renewing our parishes and the diocese. I know the COVID pandemic has sort of put a tamper on that, but we have technology that we can use to continue to move forward.
Well, Your Excellency, thank you so much for your time today. We really do appreciate it.
Thank you, and God bless you.